Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Before we get started, I'm going to say this disclaimer. Please wear your gloves the entire time while working with resin because you can get a resin burn. So if resin does happen to touch your skin while wearing the gloves, maybe your arms or anything, this is the steps that you can take. First, go get some rubbing alcohol and a baby wipe. Pour the rubbing alcohol onto the baby wipe and then scrub the area that the resin touched. You want to do this right away because if the resin sets in your skin, it's going to harden on your skin, and that's how you get a resin burn. So please, please, please be cautious, or if it does touch your skin, use these steps. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Okay, so what you will need for this project is 4 cups, gloves, resin, mixing sticks, molding trays, glitter, more glitter, stickers, and a trash bag to cover the table. First, I'm going to take the molding trays and put the stickers in the center of each tray. Now I'm putting my gloves on so I can get ready to pour the resin. I'm taking 2 separate cups and I'm going to pour an equal amount of A and B into separate cups. Be sure to put an equal amount of resin A and resin B in the separate cups. I'm using the lines on the cups as guidelines. Now I'm mixing both resin A and resin B into 1 cup. Take the mixing stick and mix for 3 minutes until the streaks are gone. For a more accurate mixture, I am pouring it into another cup and mixing, making sure I scrape the sides and the bottom. Now it is time to pour the resin into the molding trays. Now that I am done filling up the molding tray, I'm going to add glitter. I'm using a stick to evenly distribute the glitter. I'm going to repeat these same steps for the second tray. sure to cover it up to prevent dust from getting in. Leave it covered for 5 to 10 minutes. Now that the time is up, I'm going to remove the box and pop any air bubbles that I may see. I am also going to apply heat for better results. Once I am done, I'm going to cover it up, then let it sit for 24 hours. Took it out of the cast the next day, and these are the beautiful, beautiful results. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!